Hello, I am Sagar and I welcome you all to Sagar on Wheels. Today we are at Biker Katta, my riding gear store in Kolhapur, and for you, I have the product review of the recently launched Rhinox Optimus 3 tank bag. So, Optimus tank bag is probably the one of the first few tank bags that came into the Indian motorcycle market back in 2010 or 12. So the Optimus has always been a very successful product for Rhinox, and this is the same tank bag in its third iteration. And the first look tells you the amount of thought process that has been put into this product. There are a lot of variety of different fabrics used on the bag, and that actually adds to the premium look of the bag. As opposed to the old Optimus bag, which were very big, this has taken a different route. This is now much smaller than the old ones. It is 18 liters and expandable up to 21 liters. So let's look into the features of this bag. The first thing that is immediately visible is that the opening compartment at the top is quite wide. Earlier it used to be very narrow, and then the bag used to expand at the bottom. The expansion chain, which helps you to make the bag larger, is now at the top and not at the bottom. So it was very difficult when the zipper is at the bottom, because you have to expand the bag in advance so that your material doesn't unsettle inside. So this is a more convenient way of doing it, to just pack the material, and if you need more space you expand it upwards instead of from the bottom. The bag has two nice and hefty side pockets. Up at the front you get this kind of webbing, which is also present in the old bags like the Magnapod and the Optimus, the previous generation as well. So this helps you to keep small stuff like maybe a folded raincoat, gloves. So at the bottom you get these 5 very strong magnets. So they are extremely strong, in fact very difficult to separate as well from each other, and they can be cleanly tucked away inside so that they don't get any kind of magnetic dust when you are not using the tank bag on the tank. The previous generation had one major issue, that the backpack straps were behind the magnetic panel. So you had to remove the magnetic panel, and then you could remove the backpack straps and then make it a backpack. But then you will have to keep the magnetic patch somewhere in the bag. So that was very inconvenient. This new design helps you to just tuck away the magnets inside and without having to do anything else. So you put these straps here and you can comfortably carry it like a backpack. On the top here you get a very well made mobile phone compartment that can fit pretty big mobiles. Also there is not a lot of room for the mobile to bounce around. It is very slim and sleek. Up here you get kind of a hard pocket, so you can stash in your wallet, your power banks and everything. So this is also very well made. As I mentioned earlier, it is a magnetic tank bag, so you have magnets that can strap onto your metallic tanks. But in case you do not have a metallic tank, say for example you have a KTM Duke or some motorcycle, then you also have the provisions of strap to use it as a tank bag as well as a tail bag. So you get these 3 straps. It's like a 3-point mounting mechanism. In case you expand the bag, it is highly recommended that you use it as a tail bag, because most of the tail tank bags often fiddle when you're riding with your chest. You will feel something that is quite high and it makes it unnerving to ride in some situations. So whenever you are going for a very long distance or you are using a lot of stuff in the bag, it's better to put it at the back. Although when you talk about volumetric capacity, this bag feels less, but it is actually way more usable than the previous generation because of the bigger loading bay, then the expanding mechanism that is at the top. So I think Rhinox has done a wonderful job with this bag, and it has actually done justice to the Optimus moniker. So I would definitely like to recommend you this bag. For more such product reviews, check out the other videos. I have previously uploaded a video of the Axor X Cross. We'll be sharing a lot more product reviews for you. And if you like the video, please do hit the like button, comment what you would like to see next, share it with your friends who might find this useful, and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.